Hi, today we have a special case. We haven't had this case like for 30 days or 30 problems ago. It's a problem that we see the answer in the book, but we are not absolutely sure how they got the answer. We call these problems level 2. So because we need to investigate, if you can give us some clues in the comments, you can tell us if we are right in our interpretation or if there's another way of interpreting the answer. Okay, let's read first the problem. It says, febrile convulsions recurrent. Again, febrile convulsions recurrent. Okay, so the keywords are febrile, convulsions, and recurrent. And the noun or the main condition, of course, is convulsions. Right? So, from the theory that we studied in this video right here, we have already told you that if there's no epilepsy in the text, but just convulsions or seizures, then we have to go to the second row, which is this one, and specify convulsions, and the code starts with R56. That is clear, because here it says only convulsions, so we start with R56. Okay, now we have to find a path where we can find febrile and recurrent. And we have not been able to find one, but we have more or less an idea why the book gives us this answer. We're going to explain to you. First, the first path is you just go to index here. Go to index. This means go to index. Then you go to convulsions. And from convulsions, you go to recurrent. And there's no more way to go from there. The code that you get is R569. Right? There's no febrile in all of this path. So we try the second way. Go to index, go to convulsions, go to febrile. And this is the code. But there's no way in this path or by checking the tabular where we see that we're recurrent. So this is coding. Coding is not an exact science. A lot of things is interpretation. In this case, what we believe happened is that since there is no way that we can find both conditions in the path, and we're coding for the present encounter, so we have to weigh which one is more important. Is it recurrent more important to the present encounter, or is it febrile? And we believe that the decision has been taken that febrile is more important than recurrent because we're coding the present encounter, and we have to tell or we have to describe that the patient has a fever right now. The recurrent means that he's had it before, but there's like a history. So the fever is the most important thing here. That's when you have to choose. You have to choose for the one that is in the current condition of the patient. That's the reason why we believe the book chose this code as the answer. Now, we are not sure. That is our interpretation. And if you have a better one, you can send us in the comments. You can send us your interpretation for the answer. Why the book arrives to this answer, R56.00. We're going to end this video here, because we don't have the exact path, so we're not going to do it in the book. We're just asking you a question. If you can help us, or if you agree with us that this is why the book chose that, then please write it in the comments. You just point to this and then exit.